2156th episode of Nagpur's most happening Facebook live show. शो का नाम है राज की बात, Women of the Year के साथ. Really want to thank Parik Brother Jewelers presenting Raj ki Baat Women of the Year in association with Preet Design Studio. Also a big thank you to Stylix Kitchens and Wardrobes. Can't forget to thank Chakna East and of course Beautify Aesthetic Clinic at Bajaj Nagar by Dr. Richa Zararia. My guest today has been an entrepreneur. She has been working for a very long time. I think she's a proud Nagpur.
Yeah.
She is a proud Nagpur. She loves Nagpur. And most importantly, she's now in the business of farmhouses and resorts. Please welcome my guest today, my Women of the Year. Please welcome Komal Lakhani, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
You're
you?
good. Super. I am very happy. I'm excited to
Same
speak to
here.
you.
Yeah.
So, कहाँ से शुरू करें? नागपुर से शुरू करते हैं.
नागपुर से शुरू करते
तो
हैं.
कोमल लखानी जो है वो छोटी थी तब कौन सी स्कूल गई? प्लीज बताइए, बचपन से बताइए किस परिवार में जन्म हुआ?
Yeah, so I'm a Josephite, a proud Josephite.
Super, and I'm from SFS,
अच्छा.
so I love St. Joseph Convent very much.
Yeah,
for
I
all
know.
the good reasons you know.
Yeah, I know.
Super.
Then I was in LAD
Okay.
and I just graduated from LAD. Then I had some private courses done from computers. So initially I did my computers courses. I did my degree in computers again, and I started with my institute. So it was 2007 or 6 probably. I started with my computer institute, and 1 से 2, 2 से 3 I had 3.
क्या नाम था इंस्टीट्यूट का?
Khushi.com, which is my daughter's name.
Okay.
So she was.
I
just
heard
3.
this name.
Yeah.
Yes, I heard.
That's
this
great.
name.
So 3 institutes थे
जी.
and I was myself one institute क्योंकि मैं I used to go to the doctors that time क्योंकि doctors at that time had lesser knowledge about internet.
Absolutely.
तो मैंने कुछ 7 years का एक crash course ready किया था doctors के लिए to make them understand about internet and all those things. A crash course of computers basically.
Okay.
So then till COVID I worked for the institute. 2014 मैंने दोनों काम किए, मतलब I started working with my husband as well, and I had this institute also. तो but then COVID के वजह से I had to shut down with the computer institute. Not basically that wasn't the reason COVID, but abhi everybody has a very smartphone.
Absolutely.
So computer business is not that good, which wasn't required. बहुत basic सी चीज हो गई है
जी.
So बहुत skilled and बहुत अच्छे courses के लिए ही people go for a institute. So I had to shut it down.
पर ये जब आपने कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट शुरू किया था, उस समय किस किस्म का माहौल था? क्या इंस्टीट्यूट्स थे नागपुर में?
लाइक आई थिंक मैंने जो दोनों फील्ड्स लिए हैं, कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट एंड द करंट business I'm working in are very much male dominated thing.
Absolutely.
So I think one more lady was there who was running a computer institute. So it was basically owned by all the men, and that association which I worked basically अब कैसा था, we are in Maharashtra, so we were running this MSCIT course which was too boom at that time.
बिल्कुल.
तो उसमें और भी कोर्सेज थे बट MSCIT वाज अ हाईलाइट.
हाँ, MSCIT करो और फिर उसके बाद जॉब
मिल जाएगा.
जी.
दैट वाज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर एनी जॉब एट दैट टाइम.
राइट.
तो वो बहुत ही ज्यादा बूम में था.
और उसके बाद ये वक्त के साथ कैसे जब नीचे आया तो क्या आपने कुछ उस समय फील आ गया था?
हाँ, वो फील आ गया था एंड देन सी ग्रेजुअली आई हैड 2 बिजनेस टू हैंडल.
राइट.
तो द कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट वाज एक्चुअली देन जो हमारे टीचर्स थे उन्होंने हैंड ओवर ले लिया था मुझसे कि दे यूज्ड टू टेक द batches, they used to do the training and everything. सारे procedures खैर मैंने I was just the owner then. मैं कुछ भी नहीं लेती थी. Earlier I used to take the lectures for languages C, C++ and all.
Right.
Then वो कॉलेज करिकुलम में ही सब कुछ आ गया था. Then the schools had started taking up the computer as a subject. So there wasn't any need of the institute anymore.
उसके बाद जब एक तरफ आई एम श्योर ये सब वर्क कमर्शियल
Yeah.
प्रोफेशनल चीज़ें चल रही होंगी. पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या क्या चल रहा था?
Personal life, I have a very big family actually. To be frank, मेरा ऐसा है कि मैं before marriage, I had nobody.
So what was your surname before marriage?
I was Vasani.
Okay, Komal
And
Vasani.
I am now Lakhani.
Okay.
So, not from my mother's side, neither from my father's side. Nobody was working. So, I was the first one to start work. And that to a business, not a job. Even in my in-laws family, there wasn't anybody who was working. तो कुछ challenges होते हैं, कुछ struggles होती हैं. But there was support from everybody. Then gradually from my children also, everybody's adapted
So
me.
you said nobody was working.
Nobody was
तो
working.
पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा था?
I
हफ्ता
mean to
वसूली?
say the ladies weren't working.
Okay, ladies weren't working. Okay.
They were
okay.
not working.
Okay.
Right? No lady was working in the
So you're the
house.
first generation girl coming
Yes.
out and working.
Yeah.
Oh, super. Okay. And मनाना तो नहीं पड़ा?
No, because my father and I'm a deadly combination of my parents actually. My father is too far ahead of her generation, of his generation, sorry. और मदर इज टिपिकल मदर बट हाँ वो रिक्वायर्ड रहता है फॉर एन इंडियन गर्ल.
बिल्कुल.
तो आई ऑलवेज से आई एम अ डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ माय पेरेंट्स.
And then when you got married to your husband, how was he? I mean, when it comes to supporting you.
Yeah, I got married very early. I was just 20 when I got married. एंड मैंने उसके बाद पढ़ाई की है शादी के बाद और फिर मैंने काम शुरू किया. सो इट वाज ऑल इन ऑल सपोर्ट ऑफ हिम. उसके बगैर पॉसिबल नहीं था. बट मैं बहुत स्टबर्न हूँ. आई एम लाइक अ फाइटर. व्हाट आई वांट इज व्हाट आई वांट एंड आई वांट टू डू इट इन एनी मतलब कैसे भी कर लूंगी.
Sorry.
सो यस वो दिखता है ना किसी में वो पैशन तो वो हो ही जाता है टाइम्स. सो एवरीबडी सपोर्टेड एंड इट वाज डन.
So when you started initially working, I'm talking
Yeah.
about your time when you started your computer, computer institute. So what was challenging for Komal Lakhani?
हाँ,
For
because
Komal as a girl, I mean, what was challenging?
see, I am a very adaptive lady. मैं ना चीज़ें जैसे दिस वॉज अ चैलेंज
Right.
सपोजिंगली. मैरिंग वॉज अनदर चैलेंज सबसे पहले. मैरिंग एट द एज ऑफ 20 व्हेन आई वाज अ मेरिट स्टूडेंट इन 12th. तो कन्विंसिंग पेरेंट्स एंड गेटिंग मैरिड एक चैलेंज था.
Right.
I got married वो. Then settling in a very big family, coming from a nuclear family was a challenge.
Right.
तो मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत अडेप्टिव हूँ. आई गेट थिंग्स मेरे हिसाब से डन.
Okay.
And I adapt myself to that situation somehow.
But then later, few years later, you got into a business which you said was
Yes.
male dominating, the
Yes.
farmhouse and resort
Yes,
thing.
yes.
How did this come to your note that you should get into this?
It is that is a single thought of my husband कि मुझे ये project शुरू करना है. It was initially just a farmhouse project, which was in around 50 acres. So, and he wanted me to join him because he already has a business of his own and this was just a side business. तो एक family support के लिए उसको हमेशा he wanted me to come into this and he said कि अब computers में कुछ नहीं है so you can come over here. So I shifted थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ juggle किया. Then I didn't even know the square feet जब मैंने एंटर किया कि लैंड कैसे मेजर करते हैं. बट ग्रेजुअली मीटिंग द आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड
So you learned from the basics.
Yeah, I learned from the basics. Learn from the practical things. There was no one to guide you as such. पर वो होता है जब आप काम करते हैं तो you put me anywhere and I'll survive for sure. ऐसा है. So I told you I'm adaptive to everything. So meeting people, research, R&D सारा कुछ किया और काम करना शुरू कर दिया. But then जब हम काम कर रहे हैं तो फार्म हाउस से ज़्यादा द रिक्वायरमेंट वाज मोर ऑफ अ रिजॉर्ट. लोग वहाँ आके टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहते हैं. सिंस वी हैड मेड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लैंडस्केप्ड gardens and lawns, so people wanted to come and visit for a day. Then they started planning for small functions. Then they started for weddings. So eventually market का response देख के we thought of making it a resort and farms.
So where is it and what's the name?
It's Madhuban Village Farms and Resort.
Madhuban.
हाँ जी.
Oh, you're Madhuban's owner?
Yes.
Wow. it's a talk. I mean, people talk about the place.
Yes.
And it is a very good place.
Yeah.
And especially the landscape.
Yeah.
I think that should be appreciated more.
Thank you.
There's a lot of greenery around.
Yes.
Very cool and chill place.
Right.
Super. So that's on which road?
That's on Katol Road.
Katol Road, Kalmeshwar Vara Road.
Yes.
That which is under construction.
It's almost going to get completed by this December.
So after flyovers coming in scene, your place will be very close to Nagpur then.
Yes, that will be around 40 minutes.
Okay. So how has been the experience of making people reach to a new place outside Nagpur?
Yes, that's again a big challenge.
Super challenge.
Super challenge.
Yeah.
But I get
especially in Nagpur.
Yes.
Yes.
क्योंकि एक बार आता है ना जिसको आप इनवाइट करके बुलाते हो तो वो आता है बड़ा दूर है then they enjoy, then they go back, and calling them back again
Right.
is a challenge पैसे देकर. So we have multiple offers going on, but वो initial stage पे था challenge. Now we have multiple amenities in the project, and we have got the first amphitheater of Nagpur, जहाँ पे daily movie nights होती हैं with dinners. We have one of the biggest swimming pool of Vidarbh. We have one of the biggest banquet of Vidarbh, that is Indraprasth, जो recently launch किया हमने. That was on February 25th. And it's obviously very beautiful because landscape हमारे यहाँ बहुत सुंदर है. We have a small adventure park, we have mud pool, we have rain dance, and then karaoke, then indoor game zones, outdoor games. We are coming up with many outdoor activities as well. The future plan is to come up with a club. जिसका pre-launching has started. We are selling the memberships, and once it is launched, you will find something which is not in Nagpur, not anywhere near Nagpur. Like the one we have launched, the Indraprasth. If you can just go through the reels, you will see कि वैसा नागपुर के आसपास कहीं नहीं है.
You are a pakka businessman,
Yeah.
You're using all the avenues you can to promote Madhuban.
Of course.
है ना?
मैं I
This interview is about Komal Lakhani,
No, but it's
not Madhuban.
I am Madhuban.
Okay, you are Madhuban. Okay. Super. So now, as things are keeping you busy,
Yeah.
your children have grown up.
Yeah.
They are busy in their lives.
Yes.
You and your husband are working together to
Yes.
make more happiness around.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's next?
Actually, Madhuban में ही इतना सारा काम है कि I think 5 more years I'm going to be there. It requires me full time. Like future plans में मेरे काफ़ी सारे social causes हैं. The list is like quite big with school, फिर वृद्धाश्रम, lot of things. तो plans तो है for sure, but definitely business से हटके होगा. It will be all social cause.
But then, what about the personal bucket list? What's there?
मैं ना जब काम करती हूँ तो बहुत खुश रहती हूँ. So there is no external anything that is required. I'm happy.
So your me time is working only?
Yes.
Okay, that's your me time.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I work around 10 hours on an average a day. I don't take a break on Sundays as well.
Okay. So, what about people? What about friends? What about people who make you happy?
Yeah, I have
Are
very
there
good friends.
few friends
Yeah.
whom you can count on fingers?
Of course.
Would you like to name them?
There's Prarthana.
Ratna Nangia.
Yes.
Yeah. Nagpur's most popular interior designer. Yeah.
Then there is Mona. She's Monisha Das. There's Pooja Chaudhary. There are some friends from the building जो मेरे नए friends बने हैं. There's Reema, there's Kajal, there is Premal, there's Poonam. There are 5-6 friends of us who are very close.
Okay.
Then when you just want to vent out something, you can be with them. And sorry if I've not taken some names, but then there are.
The idea of asking this question is to make people get
yeah.
stuck. Yeah?
I know.
I know the repercussions.
I know.
Yeah? Post the interview.
Yes. Because when you're in an interview, it just can't strike कि अच्छा ये मैं भूल गई.
Especially live.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All the very best for that.
Thank you. Now my friends are very understanding.
Yeah.
I know them.
I'm sure. Okay. So, what about the Lohana Samaj, Hima
हाँ.
Raja, Mrs. Hima Raja being a part of this, and
Yes.
what's your thought? How is Lohana Samaj
Oh.
working for women out there?
My father-in-law have been the president, the chairman of this samaj. Like हम है ना बचपन से ये समाज में गए हैं. तो I am a Lohana, so it's like पहले तो there wasn't any club or there was no recreation activities other than going to the samaj. क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत चीज़ें होती रहती थी साल भर. And then I came when I was in I think 10th or 12th standard when I came. When I met auntie, Hema auntie, so she used to take this summer classes. तो 2 महीने का छुट्टी था. I took the grooming classes, I took the art वाला classes, then I did the cooking classes. I did a lot with her. मतलब मैंने शायद 2 महीना उनके साथ spend किया है. And I have that vibe that I'm like her. ऐसा. So anything that she does, I appreciate. I want to be like her. I feel कि ये एज में आके वो जो काम कर रही है मुझे वैसा काम करना है. जितना वो बेस्ट करती हैं मुझे वैसा बेस्ट देना है. She is working socially for she doesn't waste a time कि going for parties or for anything, but then she is always thinking something constructive. The best thing is कि आप समाज को लेकर न्यू जनरेशन का मर्जर करते हैं. That is very different thought of her, which usually doesn't happen. समाज की thought process हमेशा अलग होती हैं. न्यू जनरेशन का बहुत अलग होता है. To get them mix, वो it's a task, and she's doing very well. She's doing it very well.
What about as you said that you have future plans when it comes to schools and social things you want to do.
Yes.
But then, do you think that social activities or social service should come with age, or
No, it's not about the age. It's more about time. See, I told you I'm working 10 and 12 hours a day. तो मेरे पास सोशल सर्विस का काम करना पॉसिबल नहीं है.
अभी नहीं है time.
अभी नहीं है. एंड इफ आई एम वर्किंग और मैं कुछ अच्छा खासा कमा लूंगी तो सोशल सर्विस भी अच्छे से कर लूंगी. दैट इज इट. इफ यू आर फ्री, इफ योर टाइम, इफ योर जॉब परमिट्स यू कि आप 9 to 5 जॉब कर रहे हैं, यू हैव टाइम, तो आप सोशल सर्विस भी कर लो. If you are the business is owned and you are what I feel is I am the best employee of the company. तो मुझे उतना हार्ड वर्क करना है. एंड आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग इट वेल एंड दिस टाइम रिक्वायर्स मी. तो आई डोंट
I think I really like you more now because this thought process of being the owner but want to be the best employer. I think this is a great thought.
Thank
and if I think that every owner would give this more than 100% wala value, I think business will add more value.
Yes,
है ना?
yes, it will definitely.
Super. Your husband's name, what's his name?
अशोक.
Ashok. Okay, Mr. Ashok Lakhani.
हाँ जी.
Yeah. So कितने साल हो गए शादी को?
22 complete.
22. तो पिछले 22 सालों में आपने मिस्टर अशोक लखानी से क्या सीखा?
बिजनेस. बिजनेस सीखा. सारा बिजनेस उसी ने सिखाया है. एवरीथिंग लाइक though from very childhood I've seen my father working into a business. He had his own business and I wanted to be a businesswoman and I always wanted to join him, which couldn't happen क्योंकि I got married early, then this computer वाला system came up. But वो दिमाग में हमेशा था business ही करना है. And since I've seen I'm a very good learner, I'm a good student. तो जैसे पापा को देखा है, जैसे हस्बैंड को देखा है, वैसे ही काम करती हूँ मैं.
I love this movie Avengers. पता नहीं did you get to see?
No.
You should see.
I'll do that.
You should start loving superheroes. You'll become a superhero also one day.
I'm a more Indian.
Yeah. Okay. So then you should watch, Shaktiman. No, just kidding. The idea what came to my mind is I ask these questions generally. It's very heartbreaking, but this one fact. So if you don't have friends around, suddenly one day all your friends are
got it.
They're gayab. What thing come to your heart? What's the feel?
My husband is my best friend. My daughter is you know, as I told you, I got very married early. So मेरी बेटी है ना मेरे जैसी है. So मुझे थोड़ा कम अखरेगा अगर friends नहीं है तो. But friends है तो it's always good.
But you want Ashok Lakhani sir to be around you?
Yes, 24/7.
24/7.
Yes.
Okay. Do you learn something from your daughters?
Yes, I think she's more mature of her age. I don't
Oh,
know
there's
this
one
generation.
daughter, sorry.
One daughter,
Yeah,
one
okay.
son.
Yeah.
तो वो है ना, I don't know, this generation is, you know, पहले से सीखा सिखाया. So she teaches me more. Mama ऐसे करो, वैसे करो. So yes, a lot to learn from them.
Okay. How much time do you spend on reels?
Very less. I don't have that much of time to spend on reels.
You don't have.
But वो है कि हाँ 5-10 minutes देख लिया, शायद कभी हफ्ते में 2-3 बार. So not very good at social media.
आइडियोलॉजी, अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी गई, किताब के सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा गया, कोमल अशोक लखानी, उसके नीचे कौन सा ऐसा थॉट, कौन सा ऐसा कोट, कौन सी ऐसी बात लिखी रहनी चाहिए जिसे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
बहुत कुछ है. You know, life perspective basically comes at every phase of your life cycle. So it changes. So right now it's work hard to get your, you know, best future. That's what I can say right now.
But then again, this is a great thought. I think whatever you do, you study, you work, you're employed of, you know, some company. If you work hard, you grow.
Yeah. 100%. वो है ना at age, I think, I don't know, but it is right now मेरा thought process कि जब हम वो pictures देखते हैं ना, अभी climb करोगे तो you will have an easy life, अभी easy करोगे तो then you will have a tougher life. वो actually true है.
But then I think this is, you know, all these experiences you shared.
Yeah.
I think a lot of women out there will be really inspired by this.
Yeah.
That you know, and after a very long time, I have also met someone, who's such a workaholic and has no time for Instagram or has no time for things which generally women are spending a lot of time.
हाँ, because time होता है.
हाँ, because time होता है, आपके पास time नहीं है. ये जो आप बार बार इसका जिक्र कर रही हैं, ये अपने आप में बड़ी मतलब trust me, I think this is a learning for me also, that if you love your work, you know, give your 100% or give more than that, है ना? It will take you to places.
Yes, it will definitely.
Super.
So you've taken me here ना आपके पास.
Yeah. But then it's my honor.
Yeah.
But then I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm sure you will take Madhuban to big places.
Yes.
है ना? And thank you for promoting Madhuban without any charges. Yeah, but then no. But then it's such an honor. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank
I'm
you
sure
so much.
women like you are very few, but then are very inspiring. I think you inspire more women, and they also grow the same way you do.
I am glad. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being on my show. Super.
Thank you.
Women of the Year, ये जब शो की शुरुआत हुई थी, तब I still remember this idea came from a lady called Mrs. Matisha Parekh. She owns this jewelry store called Parekh Brother Jewelers, and they're also the title sponsor of the show. So I met Matisha ma'am, and she said, I want to, you know, take women's story to women. And she said that, you know, it's only stories which inspire people. So this thought of taking, you know, women's story is so much important. आपको बिल्कुल नहीं पता कि आज कोमल लखानी की ज़िंदगी इतनी सारी लड़कियों को इंस्पायर करेंगी, महिलाओं को इंस्पायर करेंगी, जो अपने उस कुकून में, उस 4 दीवारों के अंदर, मन के, घर के नहीं, मन के 4 दीवारों में कैद हैं, और वो हमेशा ये सोचती हैं कि मैं क्या करूं, मैं कैसे आगे बढ़ूं. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पहले तो आपको एक राह पकड़नी होगी, उस राह पर कोमल लखानी जैसे मेहनत करना होगा, और फिर अपने जीवन को एक सही, यू नो, स्थान पर पहुंचाना होगा. हम सब दुनिया में कुछ ना कुछ करने के लिए आए हैं. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारा वक्त जो है वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों में बर्बाद कर देते हैं. उनसे मेरा निवेदन है कि आप कोमल लखानी जैसी कहानियाँ भी सुने, देखें, समझें, और उनके जैसे भी बनने की कभी कभार कोशिश कर लें, या रोज़ कोशिश करें. आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात। तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं। और अगर आपके परिवार में एक बिटिया है जो अपने परिवार में पूरी तरीके से खुश है, अपने परिवार में जितने भी सदस्य हैं उन्हें अपनी ज़िंदगी के सभी फैसलों पर फैसले वो कैसे लेते हैं उनको उसको वो समझती है, अपने पिता के अग्रेशन को समझकर अपने अंदर वो लेकर चलती है कि जीवन में कुछ कभी ऐसा मौका मिलेगा तो वो शायद अपने पिता के नक्शे कदम पे चल के उसे प्राप्त करने की कोशिश करे, जिस रास्ते पे वो चल रही है उसे जीतने की कोशिश करे। और एक दिन उसका एक विवाह एक ऐसे व्यक्ति विशेष से होता है जो उसके सपनों को अपने साथ अपने सपनों में मिलाकर घोल कर उसकी जो चटनी है वो बनाता है और उस चटनी के पूरे लुत्फ उस लड़की को देकर उसके सपनों को संजोता है, उसे आगे ले जाता है। और ये लड़की जीवन में एक मात्र चीज़ करने के लिए अपने आप को सक्षम मानती है और वो है काम। तो नो एंटरटेनमेंट, काम इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट। और वो अपने काम से अपना नाम बनाती है, अपने नाम से वो शोहरत, वो इज्जत पाती है। और वो अगर वो सब कुछ कर पाती है जो उसकी परिवार की अपेक्षा है, जिस काम वो कर रही है वो काम की जो अपेक्षा है, तो वो कोमल लखानी बन रही है। हर घर में एक कोमल का रहना इसीलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इस कोमलता में विश्वास है, इस कोमलता में मेहनत है और इस कोमल में वो सब कुछ है जिससे वो अपने सपनों को साकार कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि आपका जन्म लेना भले एक विज्ञान हो सकता है, लेकिन आपका जीना एक कला है जो कोमलता से भरपूर होना चाहिए। जिंदा रहें। जय हिंद।